If you've ever seen the word webhook and wondered what it actually means, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to quickly explain what a webhook is and then walk you through how to create webhooks on Discord step by step. This is super useful if you want to connect Discord with other apps, automate messages, or send notifications into a channel without typing them manually every time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's cover the basics. A webhook is basically a simple way for one app to send information automatically to another app. Instead of you copying and pasting messages yourself, a webhook can deliver updates directly into a Discord channel. That means things like alerts, form responses, order updates, server notifications, or app activity can be pushed into Discord in real time. Think of it like a bridge between two tools. Now let's go through the setup on Discord. Open your browser and you can use Chrome or Edge for this. Then go to Discord Web and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, click Login, enter your email or phone number, type your password, and then click Login. Once you're in Discord, make sure you're inside the server where you want the webhook to post messages. Next, you'll need to open the server settings. Depending on your layout, this is usually done by clicking the server name at the top or opening the server menu. From there, look for the Integrations or Webhooks section. Discord places webhooks inside the server settings because webhooks are tied to a specific server and channel. When you find the webhook area, click Create Webhook or New Webhook. Discord will generate a new webhook entry for you. At this point, you can give it a name so it's easy to recognize later. This is helpful if you plan to use multiple webhooks for different tools or different channels. You can also choose the channel where the webhook will send messages. This is important because the webhook will only post to the channel you select. After that, Discord will give you the Webhook URL. This URL is the key part of the setup. It's the address other apps will use to send data into your Discord channel. Copy that URL carefully and keep it private, because anyone with the link could potentially send messages to your channel. If you're using a third-party app or automation tool, you'll usually paste this webhook URL into that app's integration settings. Now that your webhook is created, test it if possible. Many tools let you send a sample message, which is a great way to confirm everything is working. If the setup is correct, your Discord channel should receive the message instantly. If nothing appears, double-check that you selected the right channel, copied the full URL, and saved your webhook settings properly. That's really the core idea behind webhooks on Discord. They let outside services communicate with your server automatically, saving you time and making your workflows much smoother. Once you understand how webhooks work, you can use them for alerts, automation, bots, notifications, and all kinds of integrations. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. And if this video helped clear up what a webhook is and how to create one on Discord, give it a like so more people can find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.